Chapter 14. People of the Forest. Introduction. Early men lived in the forest. As time passed, civilizations formed, men moved out to the forest. Today most of the population live in villages, towns and cities. But still there are people who live in forest. They are known as tribal people or Adivasis. The term T-R-1-B-I-L-S was introduced by the British, while in Indian law the majority of Adivasis belong to the scheduled tribes. Tribes, that is, tribes to whom Schedules 5 and 6 of the Indian Constitution apply. In India, some caste Hindus, disputing the Adivasi claim to be indigenous, now prefer to call them Vanvasis, forest dwellers. Lifestyle of Adivasis. Advasis follow a primitive lifestyle. They live in hills and forest and are isolated from the rest of the world. They make their homes in small clusters called falyas, padas or vasti, often near a water source. They live together in harmony, helping each other in times of need. Each community has its own way of living. Adivasis depend on forests for almost everything. Many of them are hunters and gatherers as simple farmers who still follow old methods of cultivation. They hunt fish and gather food or their daily needs. They eat fish, rice, leaves, roots, honey and sometimes even bamboo. Most of them are vegetarians because of the easy availability of wild animals. The occupation of Adivasis. Although the occupation of Adivasis is cultivation, many forest people gather and sell tamarind, herbs, gum, gooseberries, honey, soap, nuts and moss. Some work bamboo, clay, grass and leaves to make products such as puttles, baskets, brooms, goblets, pipes, containers and ornaments. Others who have good knowledge of medicinal herbs ever sell them at weekly market called hats. From ancient times, the Adivasis live in the hills and in the forests. There are 624 tribes still living in India's population. These tribes live all over the country from Nagaland to southern India. The name of some major tribes of India are as follows: Naga, Nagaland, Gond, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Bodo, Assam, Munda, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bil, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tripura, Madhya Pradesh, Khasis, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Meghalaya. Each tribe has its own language, customs, culture and form of worship. The effects of deforestation on Adivasis. The rapid cutting of forest is called deforestation. Deforestation has robbed Adivasis of their land and homes. They have been displaced from their land, which is being used to build dams, mines, and industries. They are forced to wander to different places in search of work and food. Due to lack of education, they are unable to work in cities also. Many of them end up working as bonded labor. Constitution and law for Adivasis. Under the Constitution of the Republic of India of 1950, tribal people along with untouchables became subject to special protective provisions. The vast majority of tribes were classified as scheduled tribes. Article 341 authorized the President of India to specify castes, races or tribes which shall for the purposes of this constitution be deemed to be scheduled tribes. The first amendment to the Constitution passed in 1951 allowed the state to make special provision for the advancement of socially and educationally backward classes of citizens of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, which issues an annual report. These reports give accounts of illegal actions against Adivasis and makes recommendations to improve their position.